Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to a device tab and choose apps. Choose more key and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled app notification, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps and any permission restrictions. What's more important, you will not lose any app data. So let me choose reset apps and that's it. Now you can enjoy using your default app preferences. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.